And you're singing that song like, come Mr. Tallyman, telling me banana. Daylight come and me wanna go home. 2, 1, 2.
Good day everyone. I'm going to introduce you the basics of the computer. So what is computer? Computer is an electronic device for storing and processing data typically in binary form according to instruction given to it in a variable program. Examples of computer: types of computers: laptop, desktop, smartphone, netbook, mainframe, embedded, personal digital assistant. This is all types of computer. So what is in the computer? A computer consists of four major parts: the input, output, CPU or the central processing unit, and memory. Input consists of anything you will add into the computer. For example, microphone, keyboard, mouse, and scanner. And the output is how the computer gives back to you. For example, screen, speaker, etc. So let's go see what is inside of the ACU or the system unit. The motherboard. This is where we can find the CPU or the central processing unit. So I'm going to introduce to you the different parts of the motherboard. We can see the PCI slot, CMOS backup battery, the connectors for integrated peripherals, CPU socket, CPU fan and heatsink mounting points, 20-pin ATX power connector, the DRAM, memory slot, IDE connector, north bridge, AGP slot, and the south bridge. So what is the CPU or the central processing unit? Central processing unit, also called as central processor, main processor or just processor, is the electronic circuitry within a computer that executes instructions that make up a computer program. The two types of memory, the RAM and ROM. So what is the RAM or the random access memory? Random access memory or RAM provides short-term storage space for data and program code. Random access memory provides short-term storage space for data and program code that a computer processor is in the act of using or which it expects to use imminently. The second is the ROM or the read-only memory. The ROM is used to store the startup instructions for a computer, also known as the firmware. Most modern computers use flash-based ROM. It is the part of the BIOS chip which is located on the motherboard. The hard disk drive, also known as the HDD. Hard disk drive is the hardware components that stores all of your digital content, your documents, pictures, music, videos, programs, application preferences, and operating system represent digital content stored on a hard drive. So we're going to proceed in the power supply. The main purpose of the power supply is to convert the power delivered to its input by the sinusoidally alternating mains electricity supply into power available and its output in the form of a smooth and constant direct voltage. So that's all for today's video. I hope you've learned something in my video. If you have some questions, don't hesitate to ask and comment down in the comment box below. Thank you.